Hey everybody, this is Intro back with video tutorial 2 on Sony Vegas Pro version 13.0. What we are going to do in this video is actually put these two, well the still or the picture and the audio file that we had in our last video into an actual video. So before I do this, I want to show you guys how to actually get free free audio files or free sound effects for your videos. If you go down to, or go to this website right here, free SFX, which I'll put a link to in the download or in the description below, and they have tons of sound effects that are all free. All you do is if you're using them for some commercial reason, you have to mention their website, and that is all. So I'll put the link to this in the download or in the description again, and we'll go back to Sony Vegas Pro. So starting here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna want to add our video or our audio file and add our picture. So first we're gonna add our picture. Now the picture is going to act as the video. Since we only have a still image, I can drag this image to any point on the timeline. Now if I click on somewhere in this timeline, you can see that this bar will pop up. This bar is a set, so you can actually set the time that you can play your video, and your video will play up here. And as you can see, since this still is not at 30 seconds, it only it cuts out at about 12 seconds. It's not going to be playing at 30 seconds and 45 seconds. So we can drag by going to the edge of the photo and drag it, say to 2 minutes. Set it there, and as you can see, as our video plays up here and as this white line goes down and our timer is going, you can see that the image is being displayed. Now second, what we can do is grab an audio file. Oops, sorry about that, it's just my phone. Okay, so second, what we can do is grab an audio file and throw it in so that it will overlay this image to sort of give it some style to it. So if we just drag the audio file down here, it'll automatically create another audio file. Another way we could have did this is right click in this box and click insert audio track, and then simply drag the audio track down to here. But since we didn't do that, we did it the other way. I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one, and I'm just going to right click and delete track. Now you can see that the audio track, since I dragged it down here, has been created. I can now extend this audio track to 2 minutes. Now with both of them in line, in sync, I'm going to go back to the beginning of my audio where you can see 0 seconds, or you can actually, if you have your pointer in this box down here, scroll with this scroll button in the middle of the mouse in and out, and you'll get a wider or shorter video length. So I can see 5-second increments right here, and I can see 15-second increments right here. So you can adjust that to your liking as well to see, more in depth. If you're looking to edit something that's a few seconds or just milliseconds, you can go in and really change that up by zooming in and out with the scroll button on the mouse. Now what we're going to do is go up here to our video and go to start, or click this button right here, and then click play. Now what you can hopefully hear is the sound of thunder going in the background as we have a green landscape picture. And that is how you create a simple video. In the next tutorial, we'll be going over a little bit more in depth. But I just quickly wanted to make this series just to show you just the basics of creating a quick video, maybe for school or a project or for commercial reasons too. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.